Number 30. A zygote has 10 chromosomes in its nucleus. Which row shows the number of chromosomes in the cells of this species? So zygote is a diploid, because zygote means sex chromosomes, the gametes, combined together. So both of them are haploids. So they're both N's, single N's, and zygotes are diploid, so that's 2N. And it says zygote has 10 chromosomes, so 2N equals 10, which means haploid nucleus has 5 chromosomes. So sperm cells should have 5, body cells should have 10, embryo cells should have 10 as well. So the answer is C. Body cells are diploid cells as well as embryo cells.